Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make super crispy lemon pepper chicken wings. So if you all are interested in seeing this, please stay till the end of the video and I promise you that this is the tastiest, crispiest chicken wings that you will ever eat. So guys, what we have here is about 12 to 14 small to medium sized chicken wings. The tips have been cut off and they have been cut into half. And what we're gonna do is add some of our local seasoning that has been grinded up and some garlic and season it up and leave it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, you want to make sure this is mixed thoroughly. Get all the seasoning and garlic in the wings itself before you place it in the fridge. So guys, these are all the ingredients that we are going to use to make the mixture that we're going to coat the wings in. So we have club soda, salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, hot sauce, and onion powder. We're also going to use about 2 cups of flour, and the lemon pepper is going to be used to sprinkle after when the wings are fried. So guys, this right here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to make the mixture now for the wings. So we're going to add 2 eggs, 2 small eggs or 1 large egg if you have, and keep mixing. The next thing that you're going to add is all the seasonings, and the amounts will be down in the description below. So you have to keep mixing and whisking everything together. Now we're gonna add 2 to 3 cups of club soda. Just add out the remainder of the 2 cups. And the next thing we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. So you need to mix this properly to get to the right consistency. So guys, this is the consistency I want it at. What we're gonna do now is take the chicken wings that we just took out from the fridge and put all into the batter. And we need to coat it very nicely. So guys, you have to make sure that the wings are coated as thoroughly as possible with the batter. And now we're gonna place this in the fridge for our next 20 to 30 minutes to marinate, to make sure that all the flavors are infused into the wings. So guys, we now took out the mixture out of the fridge and we're gonna take each wing separately shake some of the batter off and start coating with fresh flour. So you have to make sure this is evenly coated, and then you set aside. And you continue to do this with each wing. This will ensure that the wings come out as crispy as possible. So guys, we're gonna start frying the wings now. And you have to fry them till each side is golden brown. So guys, now it's time to turn to the other side. You can see how golden brown it is. You have to make sure each wing is thoroughly cooked. So guys, the last thing that we are gonna do is add lemon pepper seasoning to this entire plate of golden goodness. So there you have it guys, super crispy lemon pepper chicken wings, and this looks and tastes absolutely amazing. I promise you that this is the crispiest, tastiest chicken wings that you will ever eat.